Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And it's a Saturday at the beginning of the month. I can't believe we're at the beginning of April already. But it's my opportunity to show some beautiful cards and things that have been sent in the post to me and given to me. So it was my birthday a couple of weeks ago and I had all sorts of bits and pieces as well. So, and I'm told there's stuff that's stuck in the mail on its way to me. So I'm going to bring out some cards that have been sent to me, including from all over the world. So we've got USA here. I think this one was USA as well. This one was, this was Germany. I think this one was, yes. So fully international. Thank you very much, ladies. They're absolutely beautiful, beautiful cards. And then I'm going to scooch those over this way, and then I've got a bit of a pile here from my birthday. So, and I had to show these to, oh, where's that gone? There it is. These to you. Let me just move those. So in here, so this is from my lovely friend Heather over in the States. She's a demonstrator as well, and she and I both have a love of Winnie the Pooh. And this says, a true friendship is a journey without an end, with little Winnie the Pooh there. That's so cute. And then kitty cats from my lovely Zoe on my team. Look at this. How cute is that? Minnie Mouse. She's lovely. She's so sweet. I love that. That's so cute. And then I had these from the children. Let me pop that way. I think this was, oh, it was Mother's Day, was the day after my birthday, so I thought I'd show you all of the birthday and Mother's Day cards, and sister, which amused me, from one of my brothers. They're so naughty. Birthday, Mother's Day, and then these are birthday ones as well. Oh, look at that, from the cat on Mother's Day. My husband does make me laugh. That actually was from him. He signed it. But yes, all of the children at school made these, and they're little pop-up tulips. I really need to give them some punches, don't I? And so it folds like that and opens up like that. That's so cute. And then more beautiful cards. Look at the rainbow there. And these are lovely, just it's so lovely. Birthday cards and thank you cards. Yes, birthday and birthday, I think. Birthday and birthday. I think that was the pile of birthday ones. So beautiful. Look at all the sparkle. I don't know if you can see the sparkle that's on there. Just so pretty. And sparkly hearts. And it says, it's your day. Because this is the Kangaroo and Company one, which is an interactive stamp and die set. And then I've got more over here. Why have I kept the envelope? I'm not sure why I've kept the envelope for that one. But look at oh, this is a birthday card as well. Look at that. This is Linda, isn't it? Yeah, Linda Worth, Lilo Crafts, Lilo, L-I-L-O Crafts. She makes the most amazing things. And this is all acetate behind each of those little windows. Oh, you can see it shining. I'm so lucky. She makes the most beautiful, incredible cards. And look at the rainbow dots on this one. That is so cool. And do you know what? I really need to get my embossing folders out a bit more. I'm a bit hopeless. Right. So in here this is birthday stuff too. This is from Amanda, who shops with me. And let me get those popped up. That looks really nice. That's so pretty. So pretty. I'm gutted this paper sold out, thank goodness. The stamps and dies are going in the main catalogue. They're just brilliant. So little birthday treats there. And then this had birthday treats in it. From our lovely Jenny. So this one had some sweeties in it, some chocolate, and this one as well. Is this the one from Jenny? I can't find the card. Is this the card? Yes, here we go. So the card to match, and then these are all Tic Tacs. This had a couple of green and blacks chocolates. Whoops, in there. That's Chris's one. And in here, some lovely Ted Baker spray, which is very nice. She's very naughty and lovely. And whenever Jenny pops something in the post to me, she always includes Chris and the children, which is just so sweet. So yes, that's Tic Tacs in there. So best give those to the boys now, because they've been in my box for a while. Might possibly have eaten Chris's chocolates. Don't tell him. I needed chocolate one day. And then I've got some more. It's right, got to tell you all about. Oh, I left them downstairs. So this card here is from the amazing Dawn Griffith, and I'm guessing that this, I probably should have looked before I came on camera. She will have a tutorial on this. So Dawn Griffith is just a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous friend of mine. And she was telling me that there's a restaurant that she goes to that has got glasses in it that have got rainbows at the bottom, which is all sort of encased in the glass, and she just loves them. So she bought one of each of the stars for me and posted them to me, along with a load of American chocolates and candies and stuff, and then this stunning card, and I love it. She's so clever. She's so clever, and I just love that. And it says, "Love you much." I love you too, Dawn. So yeah, don't go and have a look, and this will be online. I'm pretty certain it will be. And I have this one here. Look, more kangaroos. So I've got 3 with kangaroos as well. And then, oh, this is Joanne who's cashing in vouchers. So little glassine bag to hold them. Love the kangaroos. And have we still got this paper? Yes, we have. That is, which paper is it? Ornate Garden. Couldn't think then for a second. And then I've kept the letter. Oh, that's from Dawn. And then this, I'm fairly sure, came from Joanne as well. And a whole host of little cards and envelopes. Look at that, in rainbow colours too. That is gorgeous. And that's patience to cut all of those fruit out too. In this box, that's brilliant. That is really clever. So yes, thoroughly, thoroughly spoilt with all of these goodies. Oh, I didn't show you this one. Silly me. So in here, this is from Irma, who is over in the Netherlands, and she got me this gorgeous mug, which now sits on my desk. I like to have mugs around me. I put pens and things in them. And she sent me this, and then some stroopwafels and all just yummy things. But look at this. How amazing is that? So it pulls out like that. And obviously goes into that box, but look at that. And it's heavy too. Newsflash, birthdays found to be good for health. Studies show that people who have more birthdays live the longest. But look at that. Just amazing. And like I said, that's heavy. That is heavy, but that's just incredible. So, yes, thoroughly spoiled. Lucky girl. And yes, my birthday and then Mother's Day the day afterwards. My poor husband and children. Actually, technically my poor husband, because, you know, lockdown on. Couldn't go, poor chap couldn't go out and do any shopping, or rather not very easily. So, and he was shopping on behalf of 4 children for 2 occasions that were a day apart, and himself. I did well. I had a lovely weekend. Collected fauna on my birthday. So anyway, to everybody who has popped things in the post to me, thank you so much. You have really spoilt me. I'm endlessly touched and thrilled and delighted that you want to put your incredible creations in the post to me, and from all of those ladies overseas as well. So many parcels and letters and cards and things from outside the UK. You spoil me. Thank you. Bye.